Hi everyone, I hope you guys are all keeping well and safe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lightly pluck your closure. So first of all, just get your tools ready. You're going to need a tweezer, a hair clip, water and a comb. It's better to start off by just wetting the hair. I find that when I do wet it, I can work with the hair better. It's easier for me to see exactly what I'm plucking, the amount I'm plucking. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do here, just wet everything and comb it back. So after combing the hair, I'm just going to do a parting at the front and then start plucking the hair. When you're plucking it, make sure that you pull the hair back so that you can have better control. So when you are plucking it, it's better to just pluck each part randomly. You don't want it to be uniformed, because if it is uniformed, you might possibly end up over plucking it and just having a bold patch. Once the first parting is done, I'm going to do another parting and repeat the process. Always make sure that you are double checking that you haven't over plucked any of the parting, because you don't want to end up having a bold patch. So that's why it's better to just do it little by little instead of rushing it. So you're going to repeat the same process, which is part, pluck until you're satisfied, part, pluck until you're satisfied. So that's basically what I'm going to do here for the rest of the video, and then once I'm happy with how the back looks, I'm going to move on to the front of the closure. Of the closure, you want to be very careful and just lightly pluck it. Always make sure that it's just like random places you are plucking. So you can clearly see what side has been plucked, as it's less dense. For me, this is how I like it, but then again, the choice is completely up to you. If you wish to pluck it some more, you can go ahead and do so, but for me, I just like it when it's lightly plucked. So I only took out a little bit of hair. There might be some on the floor that I didn't get. So this is the end result. As you can see, it's nice and clean, natural looking, nothing complicated, nothing overly done. So if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!